Hey guys, Ryan Stileson, and today I'm going to talk to you about call tracking and why you want to use it in your business and how it can lead to huge returns for your business very quickly. So call tracking is a very simple process. All you do is you need to set up a system like CallRail or RingCentral, etc. By doing that, what you do is you are then able to bridge the gap between offline and online. You can tell whether or not your leads are coming from offline sources or online sources. And ultimately, if it's coming from online, there's a couple of things that are really amazing about call tracking as well. Call tracking also will help you identify exactly what platform or campaign type your leads are coming from, which ultimately will allow you to identify what your return on investment is, or otherwise known as return on ad spend or ROAS. If you can identify these things, then what you're going to do is you're going to be a much more educated business owner, and you're going to make a lot more money because you're going to put your money where it is going to get the best return. And that is ultimately what every business owner wants to do. If you have the right knowledge, then you know exactly where to put your money and how much to put there, because you understand what the game is and how to play it. So the other reasons why we set up call tracking is to set up the correct plumbing. A lot of these call tracking platforms allow us to set up what we call workflows or call flows so that we can identify which numbers need to be dialed at what time during the day to improve that all important response time. If we can improve the response time, then we can get you more leads and we can get you a better conversion rate. So call tracking is not just for call tracking. It's also very important to set up the correct plumbing for your calls, so to speak, so that they're routed just like plumbing does. It routes the water in a certain direction. Again, this is also to increase the response rate. Okay, we want to make sure that we send the call to as many people as possible, so that we increase the likelihood that the call's answered as fast as possible, so that we increase the conversion rate and we increase the likelihood or decrease the likelihood that person's going to go to another business or call another business, okay? Then the third thing that we do is we set up a delay. If you're using, for example, artificial intelligence, like we would recommend for any of these platforms, by the way, this call tracking is important to set up for Angie's List, Yelp, Bing, Home Advisor. You want to put a call tracking number on each one of these platforms so that you can identify where your leads are coming from, so that you can identify which of these platforms is generating the best ROI for you, like I've already mentioned. So again, a call delay so that we can call your human intake first. And then if nobody picks up there, then we will call the artificial intelligence in order to have the AI pick up. That's what I would recommend, because ultimately, when you're purchasing those leads, what's most important is that you answer those phones as quick as you possibly can from those lead generation services. And by doing that, you're going to be able to get more of those leads converted. And then again, you want to use call tracking for all of these previously mentioned strategies, and also because it helps you identify where you're getting your ROI from what campaigns. Is it offline? Is it online, etc.? So I hope this helps. You can text us at 619-304-5155. Again, that's 619-304-5155. We've been around for over 16 years. We've been helping businesses. We've got hundreds of reviews, 5-star reviews from businesses, hundreds or thousands of businesses that we've helped over the years, all over the world. And we are a partner with Google Local Service Ads. So we can help you in ways that will definitely move the needle for you, especially if you've been using Google Local Service Ads for a little while. These strategies can help increase the lead volume that you get and also decrease your expenses and potentially even increase your conversion rate. So let me know if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you. 619-304-5155. Thanks. Talk to you soon.